So I think that's the biggest thing when I think about how this all operates. If I sort of give you like a 15-second history, if you really think about the evolution of E6, it was originally put into place and effective in 96. And so through R1 leading up to R2, there was R2 didn't really come into effect until 2016. So from 96 to 2015, for the better part of 20 years, we were really consumed with diligence. You know, we do everything thoroughly. We do it the same way. We are very consistent about it. We do it every time. And so that's what is the legacy that I think we're dealing with, is like 100% source data verification, these exhaustive edit checks that we have. We use basically the same approach in terms of monitoring our visits basically at every site. And while that's evolved, which is great, in 2016 we saw E16 come through with risk-based concepts, we don't see it so fully developed as we do with R3. So for things like critical to quality mapping, the risk scoring, the KRIs, our quality tolerance limits, QTLs, adaptive monitoring, even new modalities to be able to do that from a remote standpoint. And so we're trying to think about how do we shift our resources from the more consistent or routine box checking to really thinking about how we detect things early and then, of course, prevent those high impact errors. And I do feel like that's what they're really centering on, is saying, how did you prevent this? It's not good enough anymore to have had nice dashboards to identify something. I want to know, what did you do about it? And I think that some groups are better than others at identifying what those things are. But I think the mindset is important to really understand that we're moving away from that diligence and execution and reframing it or redirecting it to quality by design.